This is the Rogue Jammer Arms, and Rogue claims these attachments can basically turn your power rack into an entire strength training machine. Sounds amazing, right? But after spending real time researching how people actually use these and talking through what coaches and home gym owners say, there's one thing most reviews don't tell you. These can either become the centerpiece of your gym or the most expensive attachment collecting dust. So today, let's figure out which one it'll be. Rogue Jammer Arms Product Overview. The Rogue Jammer Arms are modular lever arms designed for Rogue's Monster and Monster Lite power racks. Released as part of Rogue Fitness's growing ecosystem of rack attachments, they're aimed squarely at serious home gym owners, garage gym athletes, and strength enthusiasts who want machine-style movements without buying multiple bulky machines. The big idea here is simple. Attach these arms to your rack, load them with plates, and suddenly you can do presses, rows, squats, deadlift variations, and explosive athletic movements, all in one setup. Think of them as turning your squat rack into a customizable, functional trainer powered entirely by free weights. Rogue Jammer Arms Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do these actually feel to use? Here's the thing, jammer arms feel very different from traditional machines. Instead of a fixed cable path, you're moving real weight on pivoting arms, which means stabilization plays a huge role. When set up correctly, movements like chest presses and rows feel incredibly natural, almost closer to athletic motion than gym machines. I looked at feedback from strength coaches and experienced users, and the consensus is clear. Versatility is the biggest win. You can go from a standing press to explosive football-style jammer pushes in seconds. But there's a learning curve. Setup matters a lot. Adjusting height, angle, and starting position takes experimentation, especially early on. Once dialed in, though, workouts become extremely efficient. You're not waiting for machines or switching stations. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features and why they actually matter. First, adjustable lever system. The arms mount vertically anywhere along your rack uprights. That means you can customize movement angles for presses, rows, or squats. In real life, this lets you match your body mechanics instead of forcing yourself into a machine's fixed motion. Second, plate-loaded resistance. No cables, no pulleys, no maintenance headaches. You load standard weight plates, which means resistance scales infinitely with your strength. That's huge for progressive overload. Third, independent arm movement. Each arm moves separately, allowing unilateral training. Translation, you can fix strength imbalances and improve athletic coordination. Design and build. Aesthetically, Rogue absolutely nailed the industrial look. The jammer arms are built from heavy-gauge American steel with Rogue's signature powder-coated finish. Everything feels overbuilt, in a good way. These things are solid, stable, and clearly designed for commercial-level abuse. But that durability comes with a trade-off: weight. Each arm is heavy, and moving or adjusting them can be awkward if you're training alone. Still, once mounted, they feel incredibly secure. No rattling, no wobble, just that confidence-inspiring Rogue build quality gym owners expect. Versatility and training applications. This is where jammer arms really shine. You can perform deadlift variations, explosive athletic pushes, even rehab-style controlled movements. Strength coaches often highlight how lever arms bridge the gap between free weights and machines. You get stability assistance while still engaging stabilizer muscles. Pros: extremely versatile, replaces multiple machines. Plate-loaded design means unlimited progression. Excellent for unilateral and athletic training. Cons: setup and adjustments take time. Heavy and slightly cumbersome to reposition. Final verdict. So who are the Rogue Jammer Arms actually for, and are they worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're building a serious home gym and already own a Rogue rack, this is honestly one of the smartest upgrades you can make. The versatility alone can replace several large machines, saving space while expanding training options dramatically. If you're an athlete, strength coach, or advanced lifter who enjoys experimenting with movement patterns, these are fantastic.